my governor. The Speaker, having sat the whole morning and this afternoon, I have no doubt that the matter before you is fairly complex, but it requires Solomonic wisdom. If we are not careful, Mr. Speaker, we may end up damaging the reputation of this House. In 2013, Mr. Speaker, Chief Justice Mutunga was faced with an application by the late Prime Minister Raila Odinga to introduce evidence before the court, to be heard before the Supreme Court before a decision is made. Raila Odinga was denied that chance. Up to today, Chief Justice Mutunga has not recovered. I think, Mr. Speaker, if we were to apply some delicate balance and make a decision that is just, a decision that is measured, a decision that is creative in ensuring that we are seen to be a house that dispenses justice, let us allow members of the County Assembly, can you add me? Oh, sorry. Let us allow members of the County Assembly to present their case, Mr. Speaker, they be heard, and then the senators will be given an opportunity to pass a verdict, Mr. Speaker. Because, Mr. Speaker, remember, in law, we normally say there should be parity in reasoning. I'm sure members of the County Assembly of Nyamira were watching on TV when we were faced with similar situations, with the situation in Kericho, my neighboring county. And Mr. Speaker, you ruled and said, let us deal with the PO after hearing evidence from the County Assembly of Kericho. That's what you directed, Mr. Speaker. So I'm urging you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and my colleague senators, that let us apply the same standard for the county of Nyamira. The way Kericho was heard, the way the governor was heard, was given a chance to prosecute his PO, and a vote is taken, that will be the fairest decision. And I'm telling you, Mr. Speaker, the people I represent, the people of Nyamira, will respect this House, and we will all walk tall. But if we reduce this impeachment to a matter where you can block it through legal technicalities, Mr. Speaker, we may risk damaging the reputation of this House. Finally, Mr. Speaker, remember that we are guided by our Constitution, Mr. Speaker. If you read paragraph 2A of the third schedule, the obligation that is placed on this House is the moment you receive an impeachment before this House, your obligation as senators is to investigate into the matter, Mr. Speaker. And investigating a matter includes, Mr. Speaker, inquiring whether the threshold was met, Mr. Speaker. And then, remember, Mr. Speaker, we have our Constitution on fair hearing. Mr. Speaker, if you read Article 50, it says, every person has a right to have any dispute that can be resolved by application of the law to be heard in a fair and public hearing before any impartial tribunal. We are an impartial tribunal, Mr. Speaker. Let us be fair to both parties. We hear the County Assembly, we also hear the governor, after which all of you will be invited to make a decision, and that decision will be respected by the people of the great county of Nyamira. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
The Senate Majority Leader, as the mover of this motion, you may now proceed to reply.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I want to thank my colleagues who have taken their time to speak to this very important matter. This is not a light issue, Mr. Speaker. It involves the impeachment of a governor and a county assembly that has taken a position, not once, twice, but I hear 3 times. On 2 occasions, that matter never got to this House. This time, the matter is before us. Mr. Speaker, I'll try and be brief, but also try and explain some of the things which I agree and disagree with my colleagues. Mr. Speaker, for example, a case is being made here that because in Kericho 2, we subsumed the PO into the main matter, therefore that ought to be the same principle that applies this time. And many of my colleagues have advanced that argument. But Mr. Speaker, it is important to draw a distinction between Kericho 1 and Kericho 2. In Kericho 1, Mr. Speaker, we were dealing with a point of fact, a point of law, Mr. Speaker, whether the threshold was 33 or 32, Mr. Speaker. And we made the determination in this House, Mr. Speaker, that we need to make that determination whether threshold is 32 or 33. And I had explained earlier in my moving notes, Mr. Speaker, how we arrived at that particular decision. In Kericho 2, Mr. Speaker, why it was not possible to terminate the hearings at PO level, Mr. Speaker,